Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with two essentials: permissions and a chosen name. Make sure you are a site owner or Sharepoint admin. Without that, you cannot complete the change. Once ready, open the site and click the gear icon, then Site Information to begin editing. You do this now because it saves time and avoids site-level locks. Also verify governance rules. Make sure the name follows any naming convention before applying it to prevent rework later. Now edit the visible site name in Site Information and hit Save. This updates the title displayed across Sharepoint. If you must change the site URL, go to the Sharepoint Admin Center. Note URL changes are separate and require a rename operation. Once done, make sure connected services like Teams, Hub Associations, Search, and Navigation labels reflect the new name. These may need manual sync. Remember why? Display names are quick UX fixes, URLs are deeper and affect links. Finish by verifying the new site name everywhere, on Pages, the Hub, and in Teams if connected. If you also change the URL, plan that operation during low traffic. URL renames can break links and require redirects. If users still see the old name, clear browser cache, force a site reindex in search settings, and confirm you saved changes with the correct role. If permissions block edits, escalate to your Sharepoint admin and document the action taken so it can be reversed if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.